In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a 3D sphere in PowerPoint. We're going to start with a simple circle and using only built-in tools, turn it into a polished, realistic sphere. No external graphics, no plugins, just PowerPoint. Open Microsoft PowerPoint, load the presentation you're working on, and navigate to the slide where you want the sphere to appear. A clean slide makes it easier to see the effect as you build it, but you can place it anywhere you like. Next, insert the base shape. Go to the Insert tab, choose Shapes, and pick the oval. Click and drag on the slide while holding the Shift key. Holding Shift locks the proportions so you get a perfect circle, which is essential for a convincing sphere. If it helps, zoom in a bit so you can size it precisely. With the circle selected, right-click it and choose Format Shape. You'll see the Format Shape panel open on the right. If it doesn't appear, make sure your circle is selected and try again. This panel is where all the depth and lighting magic happens. In the Format Shape panel, click the Effects icon, the one that looks like a little pentagon. Expand the section labeled 3D Format. This is where bevels define the rounded edges that give your shape a three-dimensional feel. Under Top Bevel, choose the Circle preset. Set the width to around 72 points and the height to around 72 points. Then under Bottom Bevel, choose the same circle preset and match those values. These settings add curvature to both the top and bottom edges, creating that smooth spherical profile. If your circle is very large or small, you can nudge those numbers up or down to keep the curve looking natural. To push the realism further, you can enhance the 3D effect. Try adjusting the material to control how glossy or matte the surface looks, then tweak the lighting style and angle to place the highlight where it feels most natural. Adding a subtle shadow helps anchor the sphere on the slide and gives it a sense of depth. You can also change the fill color or switch to a gradient fill. A gentle radial gradient with a lighter center and darker edges often sells the spherical shading beautifully. Keep these changes subtle. Restraint usually looks more realistic. Finish with final adjustments. Resize or move the sphere to the ideal spot and fine-tune the effects until the edges look smooth and the lighting feels consistent with your slide. Quick recap. Insert a circle while holding Shift, open Format Shape, go to 3D Format, apply the circle bevel to both top and bottom, and set the size values to around 72 points. And that's it. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.